Alright guys, so I came to downtown just to take a little cruise, and now this place is completely packed. It's like some type of like gay rights protest, crazy. All I want to do is go to the thrift store. Man, well, this is nuts. Alright guys, so I finally escaped the madness from downtown. That was some type of Mexican immigration and gay rights, some shit. But yeah, so the car's doing pretty good. I'm gonna be changing the radiator hose, changing the oil, and changing the exhaust, because right now I'm just running the stock GSR exhaust, but I kind of want a little bit of sound, so I'm gonna be changing that to my old MagnaFlow muffler that I had on my DC4. And yeah, so I don't know why the car looks a little bit low, but that's just the way it is. That's just the way it's been. But yeah, so I'm gonna run inside, see what they have, and hopefully it's something good. And the brakes are actually holding up pretty good. And yeah, so I'm gonna run in, see what they have, and work on this thing. Been pretty neglected, just been washing it, and that's about it. All right guys, check out this Accord right here. They want a 1722, and it's got some 17-inch wheels, I believe. It's got like some maroon interior, 5-speed. Look at that wheel. Somebody donated this, so that's pretty cool. It's got a tag. Pretty nice overall. Clean condition, could be polished out. Ooh, it's got some damage right here. Probably needs oh, I thought this was a sedan, my bad. So it's a coupe. Quarter panel damage, could be pulled out. Not bad. It's an LX. Look at this guy, it's like an old game or something. That looks pretty crazy. You can see where you could take it apart right there, or open it with the lock, the key, inner workings. Probably like an old arcade or something for like a laundry mat. It's pretty cool. All right guys, so look what I found right here. Like an old sleigh, probably decoration, but oops, my bad. There's really nothing here. That thing's pretty cool. Looks pretty vintage. Old sled. Alright guys, look what I see right here. Now that is pretty damn creepy looking. All this stuff just creeps me out. Old dolls like this coming alive. Alright guys, I just noticed that they have an exhaust system right here. For like maybe like a G35 or something. Also says Mazda Miata muffler. 75 bucks. Yeah, right. Old vintage stove. Oops, I broke it. Pretty cool, pretty classic looking. Big old TV, 180 bucks, Panasonic. Pretty cool. Alright guys, look at this old sewing machine. That thing is vintage as hell. The belt right there. That's crazy. The pedal operated. Alright guys, so I'm looking at these pants right here. 10 bucks. 7 bucks. Not bad. So I'll probably find some cheap junkyard pants, since I really need them, instead of messing up my other clothes. Alright guys, so I bought some old pair of raggedy jeans. It's gonna be pretty good for junkyard use and just messing around and stuff. Not bad. $5. They had no games, nothing. It's a 32. They had no games, no PlayStations, Nintendos, nothing. So now it's time to work on the car and get some stuff done. Alright guys, so parked the car, just got off the road. I'm gonna replace this radiator hose, and as you can see, that thing's so swollen compared to this one. It's already kind of leaking too. You can see right there how it's leaking. So how does this go? Yeah, like that. But I gotta wait till this thing cools off. Gotta wait about 30-40 minutes, crack the radiator cap, drain the bottom. Alright, what's up guys? So it's already the next day. I let it chill overnight just to let it cool off, and just doing more inspections on the hoses. This bottom hose is pretty good. It seems pretty firm, but this one, it already broke down and everything, so I'm gonna be installing this. I got tired of waiting last night when I came back, and yeah, it's just best just to do this when it's all completely cold. But yeah, so I'm gonna install this now. It's just a cheap AutoZone Deco hose, but better than nothing though. So first thing I'm gonna do, took off the hose right here for the return or the overflow cap. Now I'm gonna put the drain pan underneath, and then I'm just gonna wait until it drains until it's below this, because I want to save as much coolant as I need. And yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get it below this obviously because that's in the engine, but I'm gonna save as much as I can because this old coolant is actually gonna go back into the truck. I'm just gonna use it for that instead of buying coolant. But yeah, it's better than rusty water that's in there already. Alright guys, so I got it coming out the bottom, and just until it's below this, I'm gonna be saving that much coolant instead of it splashing out of here. And by looking at it, it looks like I'm gonna be having to cut it probably an inch and a half right there, and then probably a few inches right here. You can see right there. Damn, that's on there. Alright guys, so out with the old, in with the new. Tell how old this one looks like. And now I'm just gonna put the clamps over. We'll first cut this one to size, and then transfer the clamps over. It would be cool if I could replace these clamps with newer ones, but this is all I have right now. But yeah. And on the head, it's really not that much corroded right here, so that's a good sign right there. Usually all this is just pitted and corroded, and this one came off easy because obviously it's a new radiator. But yeah, everything's looking pretty good. Alright guys, so I already got all the pieces cut. Old hose, fresh hose, ready to go on. Everything's looking good, and now it's time to install and refill. way much better. Just looks nice. So now I'm gonna put a gallon back in, bleed it, and should be good to go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut it off right there. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to be changing the oil, putting the MagnaFlow exhaust or muffler on, and I'm going to be doing a little sound comparison from stock to the MagnaFlow, and just test out the difference and see what they sound like on camera. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one.